máa dára jù báyìí lọ. Bẹ́ẹ̀ni Olúwa sọ.
All right, welcome to another edition of MỌL'ÈDè. How was your week? How have you been? I hope you are keeping safe. Now, like I said last week, it's going to be very short because of time. So, without much ado, let us just jump into the video of today, and then let's see how far we can go. But before we go on, welcome back. Thank you. If you have subscribed, just click that red button. It doesn't cost you anything. It is free. Nobody will charge you no penny. Now, this is a channel where we'll be talking about the Yoruba language and the culture. Now, don't be surprised. Don't say why is he talking in English if it is a Yoruba channel. Yes, my target audience actually are people of Yoruba extraction that are out there in the diaspora, and they are friends of Yorubas. I was live on on Facebook yesterday, and I told you, I told viewers, those who saw the video of an American, a black American I met, that his name is Olajuwon. I was intrigued. I said, Olajuwon. Anyway, I'll tell you that story in another video. Let's do the business of the day. Now we're going to start with, don't forget last week we did A, B, D, A, E. So today we're going to treat another 5 alphabets so that we won't be too overwhelmed with all what we have to learn, because it is really huge. So this is Fi. Fi. It is the F in English, but it's pronounced Fi. Now, the way you will pronounce this is as if you want to pronounce a name like Philip. Yes. Your F in English, it is Fi in Yoruba. And here I have Fila, because I'm giving examples of, you know, what you can make, the letters you can make, I mean the words you can make from the alphabet. Fila. Fi, I, Li, A. Fi, I, Li, A. Fila. Don't forget, your I in English is pronounced I in Yoruba. Another example, Fere. Fi, E, Ri, E. Your E in English is pronounced E in Yoruba. Fi, E, Ri, E, Fere. Another one, that is whistle. Fere, whistle. Another one is Fa. Fa. Fi, A, Fa. Pool. Pool. Fi, A, Fa. Pool. This is Gi. Your G in English is pronounced Gi in Yoruba. G. G. Gi. Gi. Gele. Gi. E. Li. E. Gele. Gele. Before we move further, thank you. So we have seen Gi, E, Li, E, Gele. We're going to move right into the next example. Gege, gege, gi, e, gege. That is pen. Gege, gi, e, gege. Another example is gongon, gongon. Gi, a, ni, gi, a, ni, gongon. This is a nasal vowel. We're going to teach that later. Now I need to quickly tell you about talking drum. How you need to be in a Yoruba party. This drum is used to, make sentences, talking proverbs. That is why it is called a talking drum. Gong gong. You need to see where it is used. It's so intriguing. You will love it. The next alphabet, this is a unique one. It's a combination of two alphabets, and it is B. It is not pronounced gib. No, don't say gib. No, don't say gib. It's pronounced together. B. B. Example: B A B B A. Don't forget, E in English is pronounced A in Yoruba. A B A B. Carry B B E Ni B. Don't forget the your I in English is pronounced E in Yoruba. B E Ni B. Plant. The other example: bongon. B O Ni A Ni. Bongon. Hall. The next alphabet is he. Now this one, you pronounce it as if you want to pronounce a name like Hillary. He Hillary. He. Who. Example of what you can make from that is, one is who. Sprout, or germinate. Who. Boil. Another example: horo. That is a narrow way. Horo. He o ri o horo. Now today we've seen fi, gi, bi, he, right? Fi, gi, bi, he. Don't forget fi, gi, bi, he. Before we move on, I just want you to quickly, within the next few seconds, do this. Yes, welcome back. If you have done that, that subscribe button is your best friend. Just click on it. Nobody is charging you a dime for it. Promise, you're not going to pay anything for it. So the next alphabet we will be seeing today, because I told you I'm just going to take 5 so that we won't be too overwhelmed. E. Now this is I in English. It's pronounced E in Yoruba. Ile. Ili e ile. Ili e ile. Don't forget, I want to just keep on reminding you. E in English is A in Yoruba. Ili e ile. Another example: irawo. Iri e iri a. Now your A in English is A in Yoruba. Iri a wi o. Irawo. Iri a wi o. Irawo. Star. Star. Irawo. Star. The next example is igi. Igi, tree. Igi, tree. Now I'm sure you enjoyed today's program. I will be here every Sunday, 8 p.m. EST. Now, yesterday I was on Facebook Live. It was, you need to see that video. I'll be on Facebook every second and third and fourth Saturdays of the month. That's twice in a month. If as we go on, we will see how we can even improve. Increase the live appearances. And then on this channel on YouTube, I will be live every first Sunday of the month. It's gonna be fun. Now, I told you in my previous videos that we want to start doing what we call shout out to our loved ones. If you have anyone you want to say hi to, you want to greet on a very special occasion, wedding, graduation, the birth of a new baby. We did one last week, and the other week it was interesting. Now, just send me an email. Nobody's going to charge you any dime for it. It's free. Send me an email. If you want me to include a picture like we did previously, if you want to use picture, send the picture, but make the message very short, 2-3 lines. Nǹkan tí mo sọ lédè Gẹ̀ẹ́sì sí ni pé tẹ́ bá láwọn èèyàn tẹ́ fẹ́ kí oríire la máa ṣe lórí ètò, ẹ fi ìwé ránṣẹ́ sí mi lórí èyí tá à ń pè ní ayárabíàṣá email mi wà ní ìsàlẹ̀ fídíò yìí. Ẹ bá fẹ́ fi fọ́tò àwọn tẹ́ fẹ́ kí sí, ẹ fi sí. Bẹ́ẹ̀ fẹ́ fi tiyín náà sí, déédéé ni, ṣùgbọ́n ẹ jẹ́ kó jẹ́ short. Kí message yẹn ò ní pọ̀, kì í ṣe story rẹpẹtẹ. Ẹ kàn sọ pé èmi lágbájá ọmọ tàmẹ̀dù, mò ń kí làkàṣègbè ọmọ olóríire tó ń gbé ní àdúgbò ire ákárí ní báyìí tó ṣe láìpẹ́ tàbí tó máa ṣe lọ́jọ́ iwájú. Ire lójú owó rí, ire là máa bá wa rí, là máa rí ńgbà wo ká tó pàdé ní ọ̀sẹ̀ tó ń bọ̀. Èmi Ìtùnú ló ń sọ fún yín wípé ó dìgbà.
Ayé mi ṣì máa dára jù báyìí lọ.